Hi, everyone. All right, thank you very much, of course, obviously, for coming to watch It Takes a Man and a Woman. When I was invited, I'm in the middle of a meeting right now. Pero when I was invited, or I really wanted to come, kahit kasi may utapa sa Ashland from the past. And kasi, of course, I wanted to personally be able to say thank you to the people who continue to support Sarah Geronimo, of course. As you know, my relationship with Sarah started from this movie, not really from the film that I myself directed. Sa simula pa lang sa Very Special Love. So this story, ang masalimuot na buhay ni Laida Magtalas at saka ni Negi Montenegro. Si Lara Magtalas, the reason why I made a mistake is because it's an actual person. Lara Magtalas is an actual person. And I have another friend who's called Laida Vicente, and I mixed the name together. That's why it's Laida Magtalas. So that's a little trivia. Thank you very much again for continuously supporting the love team of Sarah and John Lloyd in this movie. And I hope that you do enjoy this. And dun sa mga nagdadasal pa rin, kasama niyo akong nagdadasal pa. Hopefully, we haven't seen the end of that. So let's just cross our fingers and hopefully, eventually, we get to see another beautiful story from them. So maraming salamat ulit. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Direk.
Salamat po. Marami.